everyone, mga kapongers, mga ka-ola. Today is the day 30 of our daily message. And today, I want to talk about something very important. And that is the confidence versus ego. Maraming mga players nalilito dito. Akala nila, pareho lang yan. Take note, but they are very different. Kaya kailangan natin ayusin ito para maintindihan ninyo lahat. So, confidence means naniniwala ka sa sarili mo pero handa ka pa rin matuto. But ego means iniisip mo na magaling ka na kaya hindi ka na nakikinig. Malaking pagkakaiba yun . So in table tennis, confidence helps you grow. And ego stops your growth naman. Kita nyo ang difference yan? Malaki. Kaya kapag confident ka, tumatanggap ka ng advice. Nag-adjust ka, patuloy ka, nag-i-improve. Pero kapag ego ang pinairal mo, ayaw mo magpa-coach. Ayaw mo matalo. Ayaw mo umamin ng mali. At doon ka tumitigil. Yun. So to all our kapongers out there, be confident but stay humble. Because no matter how good you are today, there is always something to learn tomorrow. And that is the very important message. Even the best players in the world continue to train, continue to listen, continue to improve. And always remember, confidence builds you. Ego destroys you. So choose wisely. Alright? And if you believe in this message, mga kapongers, please help me share this so we can reach more people. And if you would like to shout out, just comment down below. For legitimate business promotions, feel free